Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you these pocket gift card holders, pocket envelope gift card holders, I guess they're called. Now the first one I made, I got the directions from Jackie Bolas's channel on YouTube. She had done some in this size right here. So these ones, this was the first one that I did, and I did my decorating a little bit different than hers, but the idea is basically the same. Her size was, she used, I think it was, actually, you know what, I'll put the link to her YouTube in the description box so that you can follow it there. But the ones I did a little bit bigger, and I used a 9" by 4 1/4" piece of scrapbook paper. And you could use, I think she used plain paper, either red or green for the base of hers, and then added the scrapbook paper on top. And I used the scrapbook paper with the design on for the base of mine, just because I didn't have the solid paper that I would have liked to use. So I think they still turned out really cute. And so this is what they look like here. I'll open this one, the first one here. This is the belly band that slides off here. And so then you would just tuck your little gift card in the pocket there. And if you use double-sided paper, you would have the design on the inside as well. So that would be a little extra. And then this is the belly band. And I just decorated mine with some stamping and scallop punch that I used. I added some little snowflake kind of glittery decals, I guess you call them. And I put those on pop-up dots to raise them up on there. And I added some baker's twine, wrapped that around, just gave a nice effect. And then some of the gold sparkles on the top to kind of bling it up a bit. And then here's some the other ones I did in the larger size. And so this one is a nice plaid paper. It's in the Christmas colors, red and green. I added a couple of snowflakes on the front of that as well. And then it just opens like this, and you can put your gift card in here like so. And this was on some kind of vintage paper on the back. So it's got like Santa Claus is coming to town, and I don't know, just some greenery and pine cones on the back there. So there's that. And then this is the belly band that probably isn't going to go on while I'm doing it on camera, of course, but oh, there we go. Okay, so yeah, I've got the belly band in a different print on there, in the red with the holly on there, green leaves. And then I used a stamp with a Christmas tree that says peace on there, and that one I did in the black ink. And then I just layered it on the scallop circle. And I did another one with that same pattern here, but the background is paper is different. And then did the belly band in the matching for the front, to match the front there. Added some bling on there. And this one I used the green stamp, or the green ink, I should say, for that. And then here's another one. This one is red paper with the holly leaves on there. And I think that turned out nice. There's the back of that one. And the last one I did here is with some kind of whimsical paper with the Christmas sweaters and the mugs and the snow globes on there. And it's got just the snow on the back there. And then added the belly band on there as well. So I thought they turned out really cute, and they weren't too hard to make, or didn't take too long. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did it. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon. So thanks for joining me today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that. And maybe you'll want to make some of these for to use with some of the gift cards that you might be giving this year. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.